Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create glowing text effect in CapCut. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut, and first of all, let's just add text to our video. We can tap on the text option and tap on add text. And for example, I'm going to add this text. Okay, and if we want to add a glow effect to our text, we can tap on the styles option right here, and we're gonna click on the glow option. Sorry, tap on the glow option. And here we have two types of the glow effect. This is for the premium users and this is for the free users. And since I'm free user, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and now as you can see that my text is glowing. We can also change the color of the glow effect. For example, I'm going to select this yellow color. Okay, and this is the result. And I'm going to zoom in. And after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create glowing text effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.